Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add your voice in CapCut. I'm using CapCut mobile, so you can open the CapCut apps and just tap on your project and select your videos or photos that you want to edit. For instance, I already have a video projects. And how you can add a voice effect, just your voice, just click audio in the bottom, so you can select voice over here and just hold to record. For instance, that's okay. You can play the result by click the play button. Okay, well, yes, it's very basic. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.